আজকে তোমাদের প্রথম প্রশ্ন। চুজ দ্য কারেক্ট সেন্টেন্স। এ. He insisted that he will go there. B. He insisted that he should go there. C. He insisted that he goes there. D. He insisted that he go there. সঠিক উত্তরটি হল D. He insisted that he go there. তোমাদের দ্বিতীয় প্রশ্ন। Choose the correct passive voice of the sentence. They say that she is a genius. A. It is said that she was a genius. B. She is said to be a genius. C. She was said to be a genius. D. She has said to be a genius. সঠিক উত্তরটি হল B. She is said to be a genius. তোমাদের তৃতীয় প্রশ্ন। Find the correct meaning of the word obdurate. A. Flexible. B. Stubborn. C. Honest. D. Lazy. সঠিক উত্তরটি হল B. Stubborn. তোমাদের পরের প্রশ্ন। Choose the correct preposition. He is proficient. Dash. Mathematics. A. With. B. In. C. On. D. At. সঠিক উত্তরটি হল B. In. তাহলে কারেক্ট প্রেপোজিশনটা হবে He is proficient in mathematics. তোমাদের পরের প্রশ্ন। Identify the correct indirect narration. She said, I have finished my work. A. She said that she finished her work. B. She said that she had finished her work. C. She said that she has finished her work. D. She said that she will finish her work. সঠিক উত্তরটি হল B. She said that she had finished her work. তোমাদের ষষ্ঠ প্রশ্ন। Choose the word opposite in meaning to ephemeral. A. Short-lived. B. Temporary. C. Permanent. D. Fleeting. সঠিক উত্তরটি হল C. Permanent. তোমাদের সপ্তম প্রশ্ন। Choose the correct article. He is dash honest man. A. B. N. C. The. D. No article. সঠিক উত্তরটি হল B. N. তাহলে কারেক্ট আর্টিকেলটা হবে He is an honest man. তোমাদের পরের প্রশ্ন। Fill in the blank. No sooner had he entered the room, dash. The phone rang. A. When. B. Then. C. Then. D. As. সঠিক উত্তরটি হল B. Then. তাহলে fill in the blankটা হবে No sooner had he entered the room than the phone rang. তোমাদের পরের প্রশ্ন। Choose the correct spelling. A. Accommodation. B. Accommodation. C. Accommodation. D. Accommodation. সঠিক উত্তরটি হল C. Accommodation. তোমাদের পরের এবং শেষ প্রশ্ন। Choose the correct sentence. A. Neither of the boys are guilty. B. Neither of the boys were guilty. C. Neither of the boys is guilty. D. Neither of the boys have been guilty. সঠিক উত্তরটি হল C. Neither of the boys is guilty.